Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome black screen in your PC. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open a tab just like this, then select this three dot icon. Make sure that you are also logged into your account. Scroll all the way below, then you will see settings under exit. Go ahead, select settings. You will see a page like this. On your left hand side, select system. Once done, you will see this use graphics acceleration when available. Make sure this is turned on. Now after you have enabled this, you have to restart your PC and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, what you have to do is you have to reset all the settings. So as you do that, this will, reset all the settings of your Chrome, which you have enabled. Likewise, go ahead and do that and select reset settings. Once done, again, close all this, restart your device, launch your Chrome, and it will fix the problem.